Okay, here's another example. The integral of ln x. It's a case 1 integral. You say, what? I don't have two functions multiplying here. I only have ln x. How can that be integration by parts? Because we know integration by parts is for two functions that are multiplying. Okay, and they are of different forms. But, well, guess what? The simplest version of a polynomial is a constant, a number. It's a polynomial. It's the simplest version. When we want to integrate ln x, we'd say this is the same as integral of 1 times ln x with respect to x. And here we have a product of a polynomial and a logarithmic function. And we said logarithmic rules when you have, but any other case, the polynomial rule. So it means u is equal to ln x. So ln x is the one that gets to be u. Du dx will be equal to 1 over x, and that means du will be equal to dx over x. Now, dv, remember the formula. I would recommend you always write it first. U dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. How do you remember? You know that whenever you are doing your by parts, you look for u. So, of course, it starts with u dv, okay? Right, all right, now, fine. dv, what is dv then? dv is equal to 1, okay, the other guy. That means v is the integral of 1 with respect to x, and v would therefore be, the integral of 1 is x, okay? So v is therefore x. Now we can then say, let's put in, that means the integral of ln x with respect to x is equal to uv, what is u? U is ln x times v, what is v? Is x, here is v. Then minus integral of v again, which is x, du. Du is 1 over, is dx over x, so it's dx over x. Okay, and then here that means the integral of ln x with respect to x is equal to x times ln x is x ln x, minus the integral of x and x will cancel, so it becomes the integral of 1 with respect to x again. And this becomes integral of ln x with respect to x is equal to x ln x minus the integral of 1 with respect to x is just x. Wow. And then, because it's the end, never forget the constant of integration c. Please don't forget it, please. All right, so here we can just say the integral of ln x with respect to x is equal to, we can factor out this x and that x. So they come out and we remain with ln x minus 1 plus constant of integration c. And this would be our final solution. Wow, really? Yeah.